How many of you over here experience a very clear purpose and meaning for one's life? How does purpose emerge? Yes. When you feel that you are larger than yourself, when you feel that you are including somebody else in your life, only when that circumference of yourself expands, only when you're able to create a difference in the life of others, only if you're able to be that person capable of impacting another's life, then a purpose emerges. And when you have a purpose very clearly in your life, please understand, you have immense strength built in every cell of your body to help you live long. Let us observe nature for a few moments. Every species in this planet ceases to exist once it crosses its reproductive age. From my understanding or knowledge, there are two species that does not fall in this framework. One you can definitely guess. Yes, it's a human species. We are alive in this planet long after we have crossed our reproductive age. Yes? But the other species is very interesting. Is anybody aware of the other species? No. It is killer whales. Killer whales or orcas. Okay? If you look at the killer whales, the female breeds from the age of 5 until 30 or 40. But this female killer whale, orca, lives until the age of 90. While the male killer whales, live only until 50 and then they die. If you observe the life of the killer whales, these female whales, after their reproductive age, actually tend and support the children and the grandchildren. If any of the baby killer whales loses its mother, there is no way that this baby whale would survive. It is this grandmother whale which comes to support this entire group of whales, because the life in the ocean is very difficult in terms of movement, in terms of trying to find the salmon to eat. It is very difficult. And it is this mother whale, which is becoming the grandmother whale, is there to support the entire group of whales over there. If not for this grandmother whale, there is no possibility that this younger little whales would continue to live. So this grandmother whale is very essential. The life of this grandmother whale is very essential for the species to continue. But somehow the nature has not designed the male killer whale to do this duty or responsibility, and the male whale passes away around 50, at the age of 50. If you look at human species, if you look at ancient times when we were hunter-gatherers, the little babies actually relied on the grandparents because both the mother and father were very busy. The father used to go out hunting and the mother used to go out picking berries. And it is these grandmothers and grandfathers who actually nurtured the young ones. That is why in our genes, we have this ability to live until 70 or 90 years because we are needed in order to keep this species alive. So if we are going to learn from nature, what has to happen? You need to have grandchildren? Something more can we learn? Is there anything more that you're learning from this? If you really want to live long, it means you need to be an instrument or vehicle of impact and support. That is the easiest way the nature is going to protect you, to keep you healthy, to stop you from aging. I'm sure it's so much better than all the anti-aging discoveries that is being made outside. This actually works. If you are able to be that person who is creating impact in the lives of so many other communities or people, if you're able to go beyond yourself, and if you're able to experience that powerful connection with the people whom you're impacting, please understand, you are triggering the longevity genes in you, because your existence is very essential for this world. Your existence is very essential for the species.